Ooh, I'm not recording locally. Crap. Thanks for reminding me. Well. Okay. Well, at least I'm recording locally, so I guess that's all that matters. Okay. So, just 1 second. So a way to think of the GOT is just pretty much as a jump table. It's a list of places where you can go and see where functions are. And the U in this context is the PLT. And the PLT is jumped to by each individual function. So a nice way to see addresses is with optjump. So now you can see all of the dynamic relocation records for all these functions. So if you want to look at, what was it, fgits? So that's at 4A010. And if you go to 4A010, that's this right here. So you can check out some data around there. You see some stuff, and then you got your nice little address. So that right there that's highlighted is what you'd want to be overwriting with some piece of code that you control.
How do you come up with that address right there as being one that you would overwrite?
Because that's the GOT. That's the function address.
Is it the first one that doesn't look like a, or I guess it's a virtual memory address, right?
Yeah.
So it's the first one is a virtual memory address?
Yeah, sort of.
Got it.
If somebody has a good answer to that, then that'd be cool. Yeah, so the thing about broadcasting is it's supposed to save your videos or something, right? So you can be broadcasting but not actually be... So you can be live but not actually broadcasting, apparently. And I don't know how to make it go broadcasting in whatever form, whatever button I need to hit to make it record my past broadcasting sessions. But I'm not going to worry about that because I'm recording it locally. So, okay. Where's it going with this? So I guess let's exploit this binary. We'll check it out. What would be a good function to overwrite? Which function address? Which GOT address would be good to overwrite? I'd argue the puts would be nice. So that's what I did. So if you check out this guy right here, yeah, you got to see the PLT. And the GOT. Yeah, it's a lot easier to see right here. So if you go, yeah, no,
I'm lost where you are and what you're doing.
I'm picking a function to overwrite the got of.
Okay. And you pick puts.
And I picked puts. So I'm just showing the chain right there. So you could just do pipe grab puts. And boom, there's the address right there that you want to overwrite to. So I guess, so now the general idea of what you want to do is use, get a pointer on the stack that points to this value right here, this address right here. Does that make sense? So you want to take this address right here and put it in memory somewhere so that you can write to this address right here.
Wow.
Because that address contains the got entry for puts.
So you have to find a pointer that already exists to that location?
Or make one.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have EBP on the stack, and you know EBP points to another EBP, which points to another EBP. So it's nice and easy to use that to overwrite the got. And then from there, you'll want to overwrite that address with something. That something will be wherever your shellcode is. So let's override it with A's or something. Yep. So on program, let's I guess let's first do a quick refresh. So this would be EBP right here, right? Because this is the fourth parameter, and that's, we remember what EBP was. If you want to check out the stack, let's put some breakpoints so that we can see what we're doing as we do it. So do some %ps, print some pointers. You can see here's some pointers going on, some stacks going on right here, and then you got this nice little EBP chain going on. And we're gonna rewrite this address using this value on the stack, and then use that to write to something else. So to do that, we can let's do actually probably want to make a script to do that. Is there a good way to put non-printable characters into standard in on PETA GDB? Anybody know? Asked this yesterday, nobody knew, but if anybody else knows, that would be cool. But otherwise, let's make a script. Let's call it.
You run Python directly within PETA?
Yeah, sort of. But like you could do Python taxi stuff, but I don't know how I'd redirect it to standard in of GDB. So I'll just name it gotphone.py or something. Yeah, just write it to a file, but that's no fun. I guess let's do that scripted. Could write it to a file. So first, let's, I don't know, open a file. That works. WB is right binary, right? So let's do our first initial thing. Let's do our first overwrite. Remember, you want to overwrite the GOT. Yeah, okay. So you're not actually allowed to use Emacs in this, I guess, class thing, so I have to kindly ask you to leave Billymeter. Yeah, but
Your camera's on.
what?
Refresh. Yeah, it's offline.
Yeah.
Why did
Email
that-
sensing.
Yeah, I know. Shut up. Okay, so it looks like OBS crashed. Awesome. Fuck.
BT took down the initial emails.
What's it doing? 'Cause it didn't completely crash.
Whoa. Inception. That's not even very delayed. That's pretty good.
Well, yeah, it's just a stream preview.